everyone, in this tutorial we'll be building a calculator using Python. So first of all, we'll have a print statement that says something like select one of the following options, and a \n which represents a new line. So next we'll have a variable named user, and it will store the user's input. And there will also be 4 options here. So the first one is addition, second is subtraction, third is multiplication, and the fourth is division. So next we're going to have 4 ifs or elifs. So first for addition, and then subtraction, multiplication, and division. So if the user chose number 1, so this would be addition, we'll have a variable named n1, which stores the input for number 1. And we'll do the same for number 2 as well. So input and then number 2. And to convert these into integer, we'll add int at the front. And then to print the answer out, we'll have print and then n1 plus n2. So we will copy and paste this whole thing. So now for the second option, we have elif the user chose number 2. So this would be n1 minus n2. And then elif the user chose number 3. So this would be n1 times by n2. And then elif the user chose number 4. So this would be n1 divided by n2. Next, if we want to loop the whole thing, so we'll add a function here, so define main. And we will indent this whole thing since it's part of main. And to call the function, we'll call it outside here. And to loop it, we'll call it again inside. So select one of the options. Let's go with subtraction, for example, so number 2. Number 1, let's go with 9. Number 2, let's go with 5. So the answer would be 4. And the program continues looping. So thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.